Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create custom running workouts in Garmin Connect. So first what we are going to do is open up the Garmin Connect app on your phone, and then you will see this menu down here: home, challenges, calendar, more. At the bottom right corner, click on more and then navigate to training and planning, then workouts. So like that, like so. And now we just follow along. So what kind of plan? Running, we will accept that. We will set running average weekly distance 1 to 8 kilometers, 9 to 16. So let's say this one. Average pace, okay, I will leave it like that, but you can set it how you prefer. So I will leave it like that. Next, what distance do you want to train for? So let's say 10K. Then finish with time goal. So just finish. And yeah, now here you will get some training plans which you go through and select which plan do you prefer. 13, 18 weeks. So 10 to 12 weeks, and then we have 14 to 18 weeks. Yeah, so go through that. Maybe let's select this plan, and now we will set which days are you available to train. So let's say Monday, Wednesday, then hit it in Friday, like so. Then when would you prefer your long run? Let's say in Friday. Achieve a milestone. Okay, so let's go back and put it in Monday. Achieve milestone, 10K plan. Yes. Would you like to add location detail for your milestone goal run? No. And end date 17 October. Okay. Like so. And we have it now. Plan name, event name, when it's end, which coach we have, and which days we will run. So we have 3 runs per week. Training goal is to finish, and now we can create our running plan. Got it. All right. And yeah, as you can see, we have next workout in Monday, warm up, run 5 minutes and cool down 2 minutes. And yeah, this is basically how we create a running workout in a Garmin Connect. What else we can do is, if we go back to more here at the bottom right corner to the training and planning and workouts, we can create a workout and then let's say run. Now we can basically adjust what we would like. So we can put warm up, duration type, lap button press. So let's give it a time, duration. Okay, let's say 4 minutes. Target type, no target. Okay, then we can add here run. So duration 1 kilometer here. So we will select, let's say 10 kilometers. No, go back and now cool down. We will put time here again 4 minutes, and yeah, we will save that. We can also add a step, so we can here put in between interval or something to fasten to build our endurance. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.